Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set ringtone in your phone Moto G34. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to the settings, then go to sound and vibration. Then here go to phone ringtone SIM slot 1. Okay, you can set ringtone for both SIM card if you have inserted. Here these are all the system tone. Just select any one. If you want to add your own tone, click on add ringtone. Otherwise click on OK. Okay, selected ringtone is now set. If you want to add any custom ringtone, click on add ringtone. And if you have any music file in your phone or in your SD card, that will be listed here and you can select. Unfortunately, I don't have anything. And for setting up ringtone for SIM slot 2, click here and select from the system tone, or you can add your own tone. Okay, here I would like to set this one. I have selected this attentive and click on OK. That selected ringtone is now appeared. Okay, so in this way you can easily set ringtone for both SIM cards in your phone Moto G34. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.